Welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So we are continuing with the chapter 2, making sense of algebra. So in which today we are discussing about using letters to represent unknown values. So first of all, we are discussing about variables. What do you mean by variables? Why we are using variables in math? So I will tell you an example, an easy one, but I will tell you that example how we are using in math. So I'm telling you that I have some books. Okay, I brought four more books today. So total number of books is 10. So how can we write this statement in math? As I told you, I bought some books, right? I told you I bought some books. So we don't know how many books I bought. Then I told after that what I told. After that I told I bought four more books. Then I have total number of books is 10. So you can see I just drew a box here instead of what I don't know. I don't know the value or I don't know how many books I bought in the beginning, and that thing I represented by using box. Like this we were doing in the beginning or when we are studying in the primary and all we use like this, but in math when you deal with more and more problems in algebra and all, we cannot use box and circles in all places, right? So that we are using letters to represent what we don't know. That is, those letters are called variables. Like I bought some books. We don't know that book. We will represent that by a letter. You can use any letter. Okay, no problem. You can use any letter. So here I am using X. Then I bought four more books today, so that I got total number of books will be 10. 10. This is a mathematical statement or mathematical equation. Okay, algebraic equation representing the statement I told you just now. So these here we are using variables. So these letters are called variables. You will get, for example, I will just write some equation 2a plus 4b equal to 5. Okay, so here you can see I used two letters. So these letters are called, instead of using letters, that letter word is replacing by this variable. That's it. So letters are same as variables. Mathematically we call it as variables. Okay, when letters can represent many different values, they are called variables. I hope it's clear for you. Then after that, next we will discuss about expression. So what do you mean by an expression? An algebraic expression is a group of letters and numbers linked by operation signs. I will give you one example. So when you have 2x plus 4y, you can see here the letters and numbers came together, right? Letters and numbers are coming together. They are linked by operation signs like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or you can use any mathematical operations here. So this complete thing is called an expression. Okay, for example 2b plus 5c, okay, and 10x plus 5p. So like that, when letters and numbers are coming together and also which is linked by some mathematical operations are called expression. So I will give you one more tip for terms. So here for this expression we have two terms. One term is 10x, other term is 5p. Then one more example I will give you, 10b minus 4c. So this is an expression. Okay, this is an algebraic expression in which we have two terms. One term is 10b and other term is minus 4c. I hope it's clear for you. Yeah, we already discussed about terms. I will tell you one more time what you mean by terms. So terms are, each part of the expression is called terms. So suppose we have some expressions like 5x plus 7y or 10a minus 4b. So in which, what you mean by term? These are expressions. Okay. So in which terms means, here in this expression 5x is a term, 7y is also a term. So here for this expression 10a is a term and minus 4b is also a term. So each part of expression, this complete thing is called an expression. So each part is called term. Okay, so that's all about this part. That's all from this part. So we continue for next topic. Thank you.